I'm excited to introduce the open source Smart Garden, a project bringing automation to gardening and small-scale agriculture built entirely on free and open source software. Our mission: to collect real-time sensor data from your garden, display it instantly, and store it for in-depth analysis. Our system architecture is divided into two key components: local field deployments and a central cloud system, all securely connected via Wireguard VPN gateways. At the core of our robust cloud environment is the Ampere Altra Development Platform, providing the high availability and performance essential to our services. This powerful platform runs key services like an InfluxDB replica for durable time series data storage, a Grafana instance for powerful data visualization, a PostgreSQL database for structured configuration, and Authentik for seamless LDAP and SSO. This setup ensures all data from remote garden sites is securely collected, stored, and readily available for insights. Follow along to see how we're leveraging open source and powerful hardware to cultivate a smarter way to garden. The open source Smart Garden, making your green thumb even greener.